hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
For those of you that are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Desiree, also known as The Real Des Chanel, and today's video is actually a highly requested video, so I figured I would just do a get ready with me because I'm getting ready for church right now. But a highly requested video was, everybody said, drop the eyebrow tutorial. However, I do have other videos on my YouTube channel from years ago. I've been dropping YouTube shorts since I've came back to YouTube, so I'm super excited. I'm just gonna walk y'all through like my routine. I'm probably just gonna speed up everything except for like the eyebrows, honestly, and I do my eyebrows first. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna take y'all through like prep and everything as well. So let's see. I have this moisturizer from Target that I use, which is an oil-free facial moisturizer. And this was comparable to Neutrogena, and it's an oil-free because for me, my skin actually changed a lot once I had my daughter. But yeah, y'all, I know we melanated, and you know we got this. I know we got this melanin in our skin, y'all. But it is important to get products that have SPF in it, just for your skin protection, and it actually helps you like over time with like wrinkles and things like that. So, anywho, so I'm just gonna put some on my face and then like rub it around. I'll be having to put everything up, y'all. If you have a kid, you know, and if you got a kid that's a daughter, you really know, because that girl be in all of my makeup. So yeah, hopefully I get some new makeup brushes this year. Surprisingly, y'all, I'm not even going to lie to y'all. Makeup is just not one of those things that I really spend a lot of money on, and I actually keep it budget friendly. So this is for my girlies that be wanting to go to the drugstore. You do not have to spend a bag on your makeup for it to look really nice, and my makeup be top tier. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start. So I have my spoolie. Excuse how crazy it look. My child got into my makeup one day, and baby, like I told y'all, I'm not buying no new brushes, so I brush them out. And I use e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So just pump it out. You don't really need a lot. I love this primer. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, baby, they was in their bag with this one. And the only time that I do my makeup these days is when I go and film for me and my friend's podcast. So yeah, okay. I use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Brow, as y'all can see. So, y'all, I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin, but I have another brand collaboration, and that's with the brand Dermatica. And when I say my skin looks amazing, honestly. Like, I have PCOS, so everybody who knows, like, if you have PCOS, your skin can look like it's been going through it. And y'all, when I say, I might drop a video, not a video, but like a before picture into this video of how my skin looked prior to me using the products. And that's what I've been using. And I have like a quick little video on my IG page where it's basically just like my nighttime skincare routine, and that's what I've been doing. So if some of y'all have PCOS, baby, you can have good skin too, okay? Because Des be going out with a fresh face these days, and I didn't used to because my skin would look so terrible from the hyperpigmentation and everything. Like, yeah, anywho, but okay, let's get into the brows. So they have set, they're pretty dry. I let them like sit for a minute. Okay, and for me, if I have to, I'll go in and like clean them up. I'm trying to make the 12:30 service, so I'm about to wrap this up. So okay, let's go in. So I use the color Fawn for like highlighting underneath my brows. And contrary to what some people may believe, me personally, I love to line my eyebrows first, and I'm gonna tell you why. You know how when in school you used to like you know how in school used to like trace the lines and like your color inside of it, that's how it honestly is for brows. It kind of sets the foundation for your brows. I'm just using a girl. Y'all, I don't know the name of none of these brushes. I use this little brush. I'm pretty sure it's like a concealer brush, and I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like I said, budget friendly, y'all. Beat your face for under probably $50, probably less than that for all the products that I use. Okay, so I put a little bit on the brush. And then you're going to start at the end over here because you want to get majority of the product off. Y'all see the brows. The shape is already there. And truthfully, the brows is the part that be really getting the folks. Okay. That's really they be taking them through. They be taking them through there. Brows. I love brows so much. I want to be an eyebrow. Like I said, y'all, I have to put up all my stuff because my child. I woke up one morning, y'all. I probably could stitch in the video. I woke up one morning, my makeup is across my bed. It's all across the floor. Yeah. All I could do was laugh. I wasn't even mad. My baby got makeup all over her face. Okay, so again, LA Girl. All these you can find at either like Ulta or like your local beauty supply store. Or even a drugstore like CVS, Walgreens, things like that. Y'all can see the color that I probably use for my eyebrows. Yep. Okay, so I use an angled brush. I used to use gel a lot, but honestly, I like the powder because I feel like, I don't know, it just looks, I like how it looks. And all you're doing is tracing. And again, you're starting over here. Why? Because your brows don't need to be dark up here. Looking crazy. Okay. Let's see your brows. And again, you want to get majority, and I'm telling you guys, you want to get majority of the product off. I hate the brows that are like, they're kind of supposed to be like, what is it? Gradient. Like throughout. So, and I'm going to show y'all. So, as you can see, again, my eyebrows are darker down here. And then I'll go in and I kind of brush upwards because I wanted to be kind of like, what is it, like fade to shade? I guess if you wanted to consider it anything. Okay, and I'm a little OCD, so I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna like tweak some things. Okay, so okay, you just kind of go across, and this helps me with symmetry. So just like kind of like line them up. A rule of thumb is like here, like is where the end of your eyebrow should meet, like where this part of your eye is, to up here. And same thing, obviously, like over here. And that helps you get an idea of like symmetry. I could be biased, y'all, because I know how to draw. So I'm just thinking about ways that I didn't always know how to do my eyebrows. So, you know, I crawled so you girlies could walk. Remember that. But not for real. But I literally, it was just like trial and error because I used to, baby, the eyebrows was going through it. All right, so I'm going to give y'all my little hack that I be using for the end of my eyebrows because, for one, that sets the tone for your eyebrows. So you want to make sure that they are crisp and precise. So what I do is I go in. I probably could get away with doing like a brown, but I've never seen a brown at the store when I go and shop. So I'm going to use e.l.f. black. And it doesn't look weird for my skin complexion. I would just want to point that out. But I try to wipe off majority of the products. And I'm going to go in. And this is going to help with like So it's going to dry. And that's the part about liquid eyeliner that I really like. I feel like it blends really well, but... And I only put it on the, only put it on the tip right here. See? And I'm going to put like a little bit, probably like right here too. One
of the original players from the Himalayas.
From the Himalayas. Okay. Y'all see the brow. Let me say, I might tell you a joke, but I never tell you a lie. Okay, and the reason why I do this is because this is what sets the tone for like the precision. Some people try to use pencil. Like you can use a pencil if it's like extremely sharpened. I use pencils every now and then. But since I started using like the powder for my eyebrows, which I think it makes it look a little bit more, I don't know. I feel like it looks more natural in a sense, obviously. But I like how it looks in terms of like how it actually looks when you see it in person. So, let me wipe some of this off. Some of it popped out of y'all see it. Like I said, I might take y'all. And if another girl said they did this, they're lying. They are lying. This is the other one that I would use sometimes, but I got this on sale at Ulta. And I wanted to try it out because I like to try different brands, but, or different ways of doing my brows that I feel like are really effective. But y'all, this e.l.f. liner probably costs what, $2? My makeup palette probably costs $5, if that. And I've had this for quite some time, but y'all can see the brows. Y'all see, y'all not talking to me. Okay, but like I said, the brush that was in, or like the thing that was in here was angled and it was like really, really sharp. This is the only other one where I felt like it got my eyebrows like super precise, but not nearly as precise as how I'm telling y'all with the liner. That is the hack. Free game. And I'm not even going to touch them. I'm not going to touch them because then I'm going to end up messing something up and I'm going to be mad. Okay, and then for the top, I still use the same brush, but I go in with my foundation. And I just kind of like, just to show y'all what I use for my foundation, 360 Mocha again, this is by Maybelline. It's the matte poreless. So I just kind of like dab it on the side because I don't like too much because you really don't need a lot. And let's see, sorry. I'm trying to get majority of the product off because for one, as you get closer to shaping your brows, you don't want a bunch of buildup. So if you already pulled off majority of the product, I'm trying to see the best way to explain it. If you put too much makeup on your brush when you go in to like clean up the line across the top, you're going to end up it's going to like bleed into your brow and you don't want that to happen. So that's why I say, kind of come above it, get majority of the product off and then kind of go back in and like line it across the top. As y'all can see. Same thing for over here. I'm going to like wipe off majority of it and I'm going to still have some that's on the brush. I'm trying to see how to see it's a little glare. But y'all see the brows. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. I was supposed to be recording, but y'all, I just put a little bit of concealer on my face and like spread it out. I'm gonna like dump the brush a little, like spray my just spray my sponge. I do blush, but it's also like I double it as eyeshadow. So again, I got like a little Ulta box. Like it has all the different shades in it. Again, my child's been in it, so but this is what it looks like. But y'all can see it's giving very much. Like I feel like you're not doing too much. You're doing just enough. That's what it's giving. It's so cute. Yeah, look at how different this look to this one. Yeah, it's giving for sure. And again, like I said, I'm going to church, so I'm not really trying to do like no dramatic. I want it to look like cute, but very like natural. But let me just show y'all my eyebrows. So it was highly requested from everybody who saw like one of my previous posts, which was from me and my friends podcast, and everybody was just like, girl, I need you to drop an eyebrow tutorial, but my phone actually ran out of storage. My other phone ran out of storage that I was filming on. So yeah, but I did do the full video, so I'm gonna drop the full video on my YouTube channel. I hope y'all like it. I hope it was I hope I'm thorough enough, because I know how hard it can be like when you first start doing eyebrows. Like for one, the precision, the crispiness, is that the word? Crispiness of the eyebrows, like and also the uniformity. Like for me, of course, when you hear people talk about eyebrows, they're like, it's supposed to be sisters, not twins. So if one is like a little bit thicker than the other one, but it's not really that noticeable, then of course it's not going to be that big of a deal. But y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I might do some little voiceovers or something, I don't know. But yeah, but let's check out the brows. Let's check out the full look. You know, I got my shirt on. Like I said, I just came from church. So but yeah, hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos. I actually have time to like, you know, film and edit and all those things. So I'm just happy that, you know, God is aligning and putting me where I've been wanting to be, like where he knows the desires of my heart are. And I'm just trusting the process with everything. It's definitely been an amazing journey, but y'all stay tuned for more videos. I might start doing like some day in the life. Oh, actually the next video that y'all can look forward to, because I dropped a short for it, was I'm going to redo my bathroom. So I did a, what was it? Home goods haul. And so with the home goods haul, y'all, I went in there just for a holder for my Kleenex, and I end up just buying stuff to redo my bathroom. So with that being said, I'm gonna be redoing my bathroom. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I really want to do the counters too, but yeah, I don't know about that. If I get the stuff for it before I actually film for it, then cool. If not, then I'll probably do a separate video of like, you know, just some nice DIY apartment friendly upgrades that you can do. Yeah, but y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you.
I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it.